Hi, welcome to the 3D Pendant Short. 3D Pendant celebrated the New Year's Day 2022 with a very special milestone. It has reached 1,000 subscribers on the New Year's Eve. Yeah, I know it's just a number, but we on YouTube think it's kind of special. So thank you so much for subscribing to this channel. I decided to celebrate by posting a special New Year's project. I always wanted to try to make one of those wiggly toy snakes with a 3D pen. But why make a snake if you can make a dragon, right? While some of us just got done celebrating New Year's, some of us still have a New Year's festivities coming on the 1st of February. So have a healthy, happy, prosperous and fun 2022, all of you. Yeah, and would you like to see how to make this guy? Stay tuned. The dragon is coming.